go to this website called takeout.google.com, and here it shows all of your data associated with your Google account. First, deselect all products and then scroll all the way down to a section called Google Photos. And now only check this box for Google Photos and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on Next Step. Leave everything as default. The next step is to click on Schedule New Export. This would then schedule an export. As it says in here, it can take days or even weeks for the files to be ready for the download. You don't have to keep this website open, so you can close it. You can even turn off your computer and simply wait for the email from Google. And then you should get an email saying archive of Google data scheduled for your email ID. This process can take some time, so around 2 days later, you should get this email saying scheduled archive of Google data started for. And then 10-20 minutes later, you will get another email. Here you could see the date that you have requested the download of Google Photos, and this is the date until when you could download all of your photos. After this date, the links would expire. Click on Manage Google Takeout Request. This would then open the website where you could download all your photos and videos. The total size of photos and videos to download is 25 GB. That is why it is divided into 13 different zip files to download. So in order to download, simply click on the download link in front of the part 1. You might have to log in again to your Google account and then the download would start. Similarly, click on all the download links to start the download of all the zip files simultaneously. Once all your zip folders are downloaded, just make sure they are downloaded completely, and then you could click on the folder icon to go to your downloads folder. Here you should find all of your downloaded zipped folders, and now select all the zipped folders and check the number of folders and total size. And in my case, it is 13 folders and 25.3 GB. Then come back to your browser, and here you could see 25.3 GB matches as well as 13 zipped files. Go back to the downloads folder. In order to make sure your photos and videos are downloaded properly, open a few of your photos and videos and double check that they are downloaded properly.